She 4'9", but she run the whole house. Yeah, she do. Tiny little lady with a big loud bounce. Every single day got me laughing on the regular. This my life with my Filipina.
I like the snow.
She just got to America. Here's the girl.
I hate the snow.
Her first real snowstorm.
Why is it this cold?
This the snow she didn't sign up for.
I like the snow before.
Yeah. Not this snow. This is too cold. She was not ready for a real winter.
I'm done with snow.
She loved America. Until winter showed up.
Every single day got me laughing on the regular. This my life with my Filipina.